Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're at Bentonville, North Carolina at the Bentonville Civil War battlefield. It's a little soggy right now, but hopefully in a little bit we'll get out there and explore. So come along with me and see what we can see.
As you can see, it's a little soggy out here, so how about we go inside and take a look at the mini museum. When you first enter, you'll see a nice little gift shop, and this is where you can get any information you want and pick up a little souvenir. They also have a great introductory video to watch, which I couldn't show anything because of copyright. I don't know if we're going to be able to go out or not, but let me tell you a little bit about Bentonville battlefield.
Carlin launches a probing attack on the Confederate line. The Federals are repulsed with heavy casualties, and General James Morgan's division soon joins on Carlin's right.
The Battle of Bentonville fought March 19th through the 21st, 1865, was the last full-scale action of the Civil War in which a Confederate army was able to mount a tactical offensive.
They do have handicap accessible bathrooms in the pavilion, connected to, I should say not connected, but a very short walk from the visitor center. So if you need them, here they are.
It's still a little soggy out here, so how about we take a gander through the Harper House. During the time of this video, the hours of operation was Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., closed Sunday, Monday, and most major holidays, and admission is free. Harper House is a historic home located in Johnston County, North Carolina. It was built around 1850 and is a two-story, three-bay Greek Revival style home. The house served as a Union field hospital during the Battle of Bentonville, which was March 19th to the 21st in 1865, and is located adjacent to the Bentonville Battlefield Museum, which offers tours of the interior. Now, before the state's acquisition of the property, it was privately owned by the Dunn family. It served as a home for 5 children, John J. Dunn Jr. being the last child born in the Harper House in 1950. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1970. Now occupied by Union troops on the first day of fighting, the house served as a field hospital for Sherman's Army Corps. Over 500 wounded soldiers, including 45 Confederates, were treated at the facility. John, Amy, and the 7 other children remained at home throughout the battle, helping to care for the wounded men. On March 22, 1865, Sherman's army left the Bentonville area, transporting all Federal wounded to nearby Goldsboro. Wounded Confederate soldiers were left behind at Harper's, many of whom stayed there for weeks, recuperating.
Well, I hope you enjoyed coming along with us to the Bentonville battlefield in Bentonville, North Carolina. As you can see, it's raining again, but we got to see a little bit. So again, thank you for coming along with us.
I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it.
And as always, have a great day.